Hey, my name is Jarrett. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the SKYLEO Desk Lamp. I was given this product to review and I haven't unboxed it yet. Like everything comes together on one strand here. I like how they covered it up with plastic. Kind of gives me good hopes that it's going to be a device that works well since they take good care of it. Looks like you have the clasp here for the side of the desk. And it comes with some instructions here as well inside the box. So it looks like this is pretty simple. The clasp here goes right on the edge of the desk and it clips right on, hangs in place. You put the base of the lamp right in here. You tighten this up so that way it will stick and plug it in, turn it on. So it does have 5 different color modes and they're all dimmable. So we're going to screw this so. Just make sure you watch the cord and that doesn't get tangled up. And then we'll screw the other end in. Turn this right in place. It's pretty long. I like this, and it's bendable or it's moldable. So you can bend it to whatever shape or whatever size that you want. So the clasp here, you unscrew it. So put it right on here. Just go right in the hole. It's on there. So now we can just adjust it. And we'll just bend this down. I kind of like it. Sucker in. So this has a USB-A on the other side. So you just plug this into your power source or your power brick. It doesn't come with the power brick. So you're going to want to make sure you have your own power source. Plug it into your power source right here. You'll see that it lights up or turns on. So press it once to turn it on and off. When it's off, it's going to be red, a little red dot. When it's on, there'll be no dot. And turn it all the way down. So we'll hit the minus button and that'll turn it all the way down in brightness. There we go. It does have a timer function, so that way it can turn off automatically. It will turn on blue when the timer function's on. So it gets really bright. I do like that. And you can tap it, or you can just hold it down to turn up in brightness. Well, I would recommend this. This definitely seems like it's going to be durable. It's going to last pretty well. I like how it's adjustable, how you can turn it to whatever direction you want. Very easy to put together. So yeah, I definitely would recommend this. I'm going to be using this in my office. I might even use it out here for some content creation, but I like it. I'd recommend it.